All right, guys, so we're here because the winner of RM22, Brody Neill, who we called last week to give him the great news that he was the winner of RM22, and you're the grand prize winner of a 69 Chevelle or $100,000 in cash. In lieu of taking this incredible 1969 Chevelle, he has accepted a $100,000 cash prize. We'll get into some of the details later on what is going to happen to this Chevelle now, because I know all you guys are interested in that, so stay tuned at the end of the video. We will talk about our options there. But in the meantime, we've delivered the cash to Brody, and so we want to give him a quick call, see how he's doing in the aftermath of that wire hitting his account, what he's planning on doing with the cash, and how he came to his decision. Check this out. There we go. Hey, Brody.
What's up, man?
How are you?
Doing good. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Let me see if I can figure out how to turn this screen record thing on, just so I can record this call. All right, it says it's going. All right, we're on. How you doing, man?
I'm doing pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm hanging in there, just sitting in front of some cool cars over here.
I know.
At the warehouse. I got RM22 and RM23 behind me. Just wanted to touch base with you, man. How did it feel? First of all, let me back up a little bit. I called you last week, right?
Yep.
You had just gotten, I think you were actually showering off after a work shift or something?
Yeah.
And then blew up your phone a couple times, got you on the phone. Tell me a little bit about that process from your side. Like, what did it feel like? What were you thinking? That kind of stuff.
I don't know, like my brother was saying, he's like, you didn't sound excited. And I was like, it's hard to when you're hit with something like that, It's shocking, so it's hard to be exciting and feel good about it. But it was crazy. I definitely enjoyed the call.
Yeah, pretty crazy, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you said... Sorry, go ahead.
Oh, I forgot to tell you even. I was so shocked. I didn't tell you that I don't even have a car down here, so that money is going to help me get a car now and get ahead a little bit. It's definitely going to help.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Did you watch like all the videos and kind of get into the car?
Oh, yeah. I definitely heard it too, of what the car was about. Everybody was calling me, telling me about how cool the car is and stuff. I was like, I know, but I live in Iowa. It snows, and I need a daily driver. That's not something you could do every day.
Nah, it's definitely not the car for the snow, for sure. And then you used to live in Arizona, right? You didn't deal with the snow?
Yeah.
And then
I haven't dealt with it yet. I just moved here about 2.5, 3 months ago, so yeah, I still have to deal with that, or it's coming up.
Okay, well, glad you didn't change your phone number along with your address. We were able to get a hold of you.
I know, I'm glad it was still the same phone number, because I was about to get a new phone too, but...
Man, you got to make sure you keep us updated out there we can get a hold of you when you win crazy six-figure prizes and stuff.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm pretty sure it should be updated.
So tell me a little bit about the decision you went through, because obviously it was a decision. You said people were calling you about the car. You watched the videos about the car. How did that decision-making process happen?
Of taking the money over it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just like I said in the call a week ago, I'm 21. It would be nice to have something like that. It's crazy. It's a crazy car, but I need to have something that will help me out in the future, and the money will definitely help me out more than the car. Yeah,
absolutely, man. You're a lot more responsible at 21 than I was at 21, so I'm proud of you for making that, kind of forward-thinking life decision. And you're probably right, in terms of planning for your life and being able to put away a little nest egg or pay off debt or whatever your individual situation is. And especially if you don't have a car, you can get, something safe, get you to work and back and everything like that paid off with no crazy interest rate car loan or anything like that. So that's good to hear. Aside from the car, do you have any plans for the cash?
Pretty much just save as much as I can, and then eventually have a good down payment when the market goes down on the houses and stuff. So I think it's gonna be a while, so I'll just have it sitting in like a CD, earning interest and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, man, I can tell you're already like bigger brain than I ever was, especially at 21, man.
Yes, sir.
That's
I
smart.
definitely have family members that give me good advice and stuff like that as well.
Good, man. Well, that's really glad to hear that. And then just, wish you the best. I mean, when you're joining an exclusive fraternity like the Restomods Winners Circle, and let me show you actually where you're joining. Let's see, let me walk past these cars and I'll flip this camera around and you can see. So right here in our offices, we keep this up on the wall right here. This is the Restomods Winners Circle right here. And then we go all the way back to 2017. This guy won RM1, he took the cash as well. It was a little bit smaller back then. He took 35K. A couple of these other guys. You're joining up with John Hatton, who won RM13. He took 100 grand. Similar, kind of story to you. Younger guy and wanted to plan for his future and do some things. I know he did buy a really high-end Mustang though. And then all of our guys here, and then down here at the end, look who we got here. There we are, man. So you're joining this exclusive fraternity right here, which is some pretty exclusive company. And we think of you guys all like family in terms of sticking with you and kind of hearing the stories and seeing what you guys are up to. Some guys still have their cars, they're enjoying them. Some guys have sold their cars. Some guys like you took cash, but either way, you're our 22nd winner. Nothing's ever gonna change that. So we'll try and keep in touch with you and kind of see what's going on in your life and try to follow along with your plans for the cash. If you do end up buying a house, if you get a car, send us pictures of the car and all that kind of stuff.
For sure. I was planning on it.
Yeah, absolutely. I appreciate it, man. Restomods Nation wants to keep abreast with what's going on with you and how you're enjoying your prize. So again, from us, man, we couldn't be happier and just want to say congratulations and kind of talk with you a little bit. You got any words of wisdom or anything you want to say to all the people out there listening?
Man, like I was saying, if you could afford it, do it, because I'm a twin, and my brother, he's like, oh, what do you want now? He wants to look it all up. I'm like, you've been late. I've been doing this and telling you, man. And yeah, now he's all on it, and just do it if you can, man. You don't even have to order a shirt, do a subscription like I was.
There you go. Worked out for you, man. That subscription was working for you in the background. Just like that money's going to be working for you in your CD, earning you interest. So,
yep.
Congratulations again, Brody, man. Good luck out there in Iowa. Keep us posted. And if you need anything, feel free to reach out to me. You got my number, and we wish you nothing but the best, man.
Awesome. Once again, thank you, man. And we'll for sure stay in touch. I'll update you with what I get.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Well, good luck out there, and thanks for taking the time to do a call with us, and we'll see you later, man.
Yes, sir. See you later.
All right, take care. All right, that was it. We got a call with Brody Neill. He's in Iowa. He's got 100 grand in his bank account as the grand prize winner of RM22. Your name's not Brody Neill. You can get entered to win right now RM23. This is a 1968 numbers matching GTO and comes along with $20,000 in cash. If you don't know everything about this car, do yourself a favor and check it out. We've done a lot of build sheet videos, upgrade videos on all the upgrades we did to this car. Esparza and his team, like they always do, have done a number on this thing, and it is an absolutely incredible example of a 1968 GTO. And you could be in the driver's seat of that car with 20 grand in your pocket. Head to restomods.com, claim those entries. Of course, if you're a member like Brody was, you're getting entries every single month. Like right now, we're in 4 times entries right now. That means you spend $1 on restomods.com, you get 4 entries to win the car and cash. If you're a member and your membership renews in this month, you're gonna get 4 times the normal amount of entries. So we take extra good care of our members and make sure that you guys are always at the front of the line when it comes to these sweepstakes. Congratulations to Brody. Everybody wants to know what's gonna happen to RM22, this 1969 Chevelle. That's a great question. We've gotten a lot of ideas. We've gotten a lot of different suggestions from you guys in the community. Probably what we'll end up doing is making it available for everybody via an auction. And so we're talking to a couple different auction partners. I wouldn't be surprised if it ends up at Barrett-Jackson in Scottsdale this upcoming January. But who knows? It could end up anywhere, but we will definitely keep you guys posted. There's a lot of people who want to get their hands on this one-of-a-kind 1969 Chevelle. So we're going to update those plans, keep you guys posted as soon as we know exactly what's going to happen with this car. In the meantime, get entered to win RM23. I could be sitting in this chair calling you in just a couple short months. Good luck.